morning, dear students. I hope all are well at home. Today, when I am going to discussing about multi-river valley projects. So, in previous class, we clarified, we learned particularly for meaning of irrigation, types of irrigation, including the need of irrigation. Almost. So, why irrigation it is most need for in our country? What purposes we are more depending upon irrigation? Lot of information you are collected from the previous chapter. Today, it is the most important concern content about the chapter of water resources of the country. Come to the point, multi-river valley projects, multi-purpose river valley project. The headline says multi-purpose, not one purpose, many purpose, river valley projects, river valley projects. Okay, a projects related to river valley, we are getting more benefits, we are getting more purposes, we are more objectives, that purposes, that benefits project we called in the name of the multi-purpose river valley projects. Only one project, we are getting more benefits and more objectives and more purposes and more aims we called in the name of the multi-purpose river valley projects. Several multi-purpose projects which may be comes to under in the country, apart from river valley projects. So, one project you will going to construct or concern, we are getting more benefits particularly from the project. So, suppose example, one river, any river take example, many rivers in the country, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, in South India, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapati, Mandovi, Zuari, several rivers, number of rivers which are flows in our country. So, even all rivers also which are even may be suitable for particularly for the construction of the dams. So, suppose take example one river from the birthplace to drain place, its course several kilometers it may be flowing. Apart from the dam construction, it is the main object or main project aim. Suppose the dam construction across the river. The dam construction across the river, it is the project. The project, what is the project? Dam construction. The construction of dam across the river, it is a project. The one project, the main project is the dam construction. Why we are going to dam construction across the river? So, particularly the store the water in reservoir. Okay. So, construction of dam, storage water to the reservoir, it is the main purposes, main project aim. So, what are the benefits? One dam construction across the river, we are getting several benefits, not one or two things. More than 15 to 16 benefits are we are going to utilizing particularly from the project, one by one. So, when the dam construction, the main purpose of the dam construction, main benefits, agricultural development. Agricultural, it is not only related to India. Every country, agricultural, it is the backbone of the country economy because its surplus provide food, everyone. At the same time, agricultural, it is a source of income. Okay, next chapter when I are going to explain importance of agriculture. Now, it is agriculture, it is the main occupation of the country. Every nation also agricultural is the main occupation. India it is the main occupation because more than 70% of the population they are depending upon agriculture as a primary occupation because our main source, food. Okay. So, this agricultural development, it is the main purpose. That is why when you are going to start multi-purpose project. Rain it is okay. Rain below agriculture also may be going on. All the times, all the years, all the season, we are going to depending upon rainfall, it is so difficult to concern. Such a way, alternative way, agricultural development is the main purpose. The supply of water particularly for the crop cultivation. Okay, in 365 days also. That's why the development of agricultural, it is need for water. The input water supplies from the dam 24/7. That's why we are going to construction of the dam with the development of the agriculture. Second one, same sentence, irrigation development. So, agricultural development means irrigation development, both are also the same sentence. So, irrigation, it is concerned an artificial supply of water. An artificial supply of water, the soil for crop cultivation. So, even different types of irrigation we already studied, particularly for tank irrigation, well irrigation, canal irrigation, drip irrigation, including sprinkler method. The different types of irrigation methods which are mainly related to concern about the water. All irrigation types also the supplies water and artificially. So, water it is the main concern and source. So, even canal also depending upon water, well also, tank also. So, these concern related whatever and artificial supply sources, particularly from the dam water. Okay, the dam water we are going to utilize the construction of canals. So, the supply of water through well, tanks, everywhere. What are the source secondary? So, the development of 365 days also the supply of water through canals, well, tank, then what are the sources? Water is very important. Another important concern, irrigation development in a country. Irrigation means the dam construction is the major project. So, the second important benefits we are particularly getting from the project, River Valley project. Third one, so not only dam water we are utilizing for agricultural and irrigation development. Even today, the dam water we are utilizing for drinking. The water, it may be, the project provide water part particularly for drinking purposes. So even Krishnaraja Sagar Dam, you go and see all the dams also, dam water we are going to utilizing for drinking purposes. Because how much agricultural development and irrigation it is very important in the country. The supply of water particularly for drinking 24/7, that is also very important. You can't expect it rain 24/7. So such a way, so the store water you can utilize for any time 24/7. So even another important benefits you are getting from the dam, that is drinking water. We are drawn drinking water from the dam. Come to the next one. Not only we are drawing water particularly for drinking purposes, the dams which are supplies water another domestic purposes also. Domestic purposes, in other purposes also water we are going to utilizing or drawing from the dam is the fourth important, domestic purposes supplies water. Next one, hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is the another important object, particularly River Valley project. Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is nothing but electricity generated by the falling of force water. So that's why we called electricity hydroelectricity. Naturally, waterfall regions which are the suitable for best hydroelectricity. Even 365 days also when the water is available in the dam, particularly in the reservoir, that water you can supply through pressurably supplies to created an artificial waterfall. An artificial waterfall then created the falling water to turn the turbine and dynamos, you can generate electricity. Almost you go and see wherever dams are there in India, almost their surroundings, their path, particularly their foot, apart from hydroelectricity centers or projects which are there. Okay. So totally dam water you can utilize it for power generation. That power we called electricity, we called hydroelectricity. So next one, navigation. Between the states, between the districts, between the taluks. So you can longer canal you can construct it particularly attached and linked to the dam. So the canals you can more than 100 kilometer, 200 kilometer, 400, 500, 1000, whatever may be. So you can this canal or water particularly may be using for internal boating, navigation purposes. A small amount of goods and services which are carrying between the states, between the districts, between the taluks. That we called in the name of the internal navigation development. Navigation, it may be depending upon the water, navigation. So the development of navigation internally, it is also another important concern whenever the multi-river valley project purpose. Then come to the next one, control epidemics. So whenever epidemics, especially earthquakes, landslides, natural calamities, especially for the weaker zones in the dam areas, should be when they construct the dams, automatically you may be controlling epidemics naturally. That is waterlogging conditions, also minimizing the particular surrounding region. This is another important, controlling epidemics, particularly either by landslides, either by waterlogging, either by earthquakes, whatever we call in different names. So controlling flood is another important epidemic or natural calamity. Controlling flood. Many dams we are now today they are going to study controlling flood. Controlling flood is a danger. Excessive water in river, input, we called in the name of the flood. Flood, it may be excessive water, it may be outflow from the river course. It may be created lot of damage, particularly in the river valley regions. Such regions you can save and conserve. You will going to construct the dam is another important. The construction of the dam, automatically we can minimizing, particularly from the pressure, water input, particularly by the rain in the river valley region. Controlling flood is another important plan or project aim. And control soil erosions, especially for the river valley basis. Any river from the birth to drain, it may be flows, maybe volume may be different in condition. Rainy season is a more volume. So such a way, it is another important, especially for river basin areas. River coursing, either side areas, it may be eroded by the volume of water. Soil erosion taken place. Thus controlling soil erosion, especially for in the river basin or river course area from beginning to ending. So you can minimizing the speed volume of the river. That is our main ambitions. When we will going to minimize the volume of river water through the construction of the dams. The dam construction, it may be minimizing the pressure river water volume, particularly in the river basin areas. So that's why that is also soil erosion or conservation of soil is another important. Whenever the soil, it may be losing their fertility, infertile turns into infertile, so it is unsuitable for agricultural activities. That's why we can protect the fertility of the soil in the name of the soil conservation. It is also prime concern. Then forestry development, especially forest. So that water you can, when the dam construction, the surrounding region may be turns into green belt. Forestry, plantation programs particularly conducting this. So the supply of water not only for in other ways, so even the plants also, the forest, trees also which need for water. So the development of reserve forest and artificial forest, whatever we call, there should be need for water. So surrounding region forestry program development, it is a need. That water you can supply the development of forestry. As a reserve forest, as a particularly for the naturally development, so it may be forestry program is another important concern to dam water. And prevention of wildlife. So how much we are need for water, drinking and other purposes, even animals also which are need. So especially for the forest region, animals also they need for water, particularly for drinking and other purposes. Such conditions related to, so when the forestry development not only particularly by the plantation, including particularly prevention of the wild animals. So wild animals, every forest also you can create an artificial tanks, lakes, so maybe supply of water particularly in tanks and lakes, which may be dam water can utilize. 24/7 the supply of water in the reserve forest regions. It may be, it is also helps to whenever the protection of the wildlife, almost all both carnivorous and herbivorous animals. So come to the next one, that is called recreation. Recreation also another important. Now today the man going to gambling, the playing, recreation, boating, swimming. Several recreational activities done particularly in the water. So even the river basin areas, the dam water, it may be utilizing for recreational purposes. Recreational purposes, it is also recreation development. It is a plan, it is a game, it is an entertainment. Such a way, even recreation also, it is another important benefits we are getting from the dam. Come to the tourism development. So whenever dam areas almost as a architecture, dam is a good architecture. Like that historical evidences also even today. So come to the point in the development of tourism. You go and see the people, the tourist people, they wants to like visit the dams because the beautiful storage water, the beautiful construction. So several purposes. It is totally dams which are the one of the dams which are the important tourism places. You go and see Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Mysore income. So now it is very minimizing. In Dasara time, Dasara vacation, lot of million people they are visited in Krishnaraja Sagar. So lack of income, tourism development also it is a more taken place is another important benefits. So is another important asset and income. Dams which are the asset of the country. Different, all the countries also asset is a national asset. And the forest resources or soil, good soil, okay, forest resources, mine minerals. So whenever these resources which are the asset of the country, like that the number of dams which are there in the country, it is the asset of the country, is a property of the country, is a totally property and national asset. Income. So all the dams which are the income areas, totally when the tourist people they are coming and going, they are visiting there, they are getting lot of rupees. Okay, even Krishnaraja Sagar example is a better lakh rupees, particularly in the Dasara vacations, especially for they are getting income through the tourism activities. Is another important, is the national income, state income. Fodder for animals. Animals also they can eat for fodder. Fodder means food. So such animals, the grasses, the development of grasses, what type of the fodder they need, particularly for the land. So the supply of dam water supplies, particularly to the soil and cultivating and growing, particularly for the fodder for the animals, is a domestic animal special. And employment for inhabitants. The dam constructions, particularly for thousands of people, lakh people, they are working, they are employed, particularly from the beginning construction way. From construction after the finalized and completion of the construction, after also they are maintaining engineers and including other technical divisions, they are working particularly in the dam surrounding regions. They are given a lot of job opportunities, particularly in the projects. Okay, apart from the industries development, dam water you can not only utilizing for particularly one purposes. Dam water you can utilizing for the development of the industries. Industrial development also it is another important concern. The development of industries, all the industries also which need for water. Okay, that water you can supply. You go and see many dam surroundings areas, the mining activities is a danger. Okay, the miners surrounding industrial region, they are drawing water from the dam. Because industrial units they need for lot of water, particularly for the different manufacturing process. Such a way, so these are all concern related multi-river valley projects. Okay, so one dam or one project, we are going to construct it across the river. We are getting lot of benefits, lot of uses, lot of objectives, lot of aims concern. It's a 5 marks question, as a 2 marks question, whatever. So multi-purpose river valley project objectives of explain the objectives of multi-purpose river valley project. Okay, it is a first line explanation. It is related to whenever multi-purpose river valley project. Okay, so apart from many projects may be related, many dams we are constructed in the country, several dams. Apart from, according to our syllabus, 4 multi-river valley projects may be related. DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation project, Vakranangal River Valley project, and Irakut multi-purpose project, and Upper Krishna multi-purpose project we are going to studying in next. These multi-river valley projects which dynamic role not only in the country, every country also multi-river valley projects which play an important role, particularly the development of the economy, the development of the country. It is not only thinking about only for economy, okay, even all the ways, all the sectors also even today they are depending upon multi-river valley project. Multi-river valley project, it is a prime concern. Okay, suppose you will going to compare other international and other countries, so the less number of dams only there existed, they constructed in India, because our contribution is very less than compared to other important countries. You go on China, more than 29,000 dams in China, 29,000 dams in China. United States of America also more than 17,000 dams. On average, other countries more than 10,000, 9,000 more. These are all the larger dams, not only I am talking about only minor dams. The number of dams which play an important role, particularly in the different countries. In the countries, there are number of dams which are more, number of benefits particularly. Because the storage of water, it is a very prime concern. Because it is the people, the main life depending upon agriculture. In the country, agriculturally, industrially, domestically, anything they will go into development, first water is very important. Water. Especially 24/7 water is very important. The supply of 24/7 water, that should be need. India, more than 4,467 dams in India. Okay, such a way, these are larger dams, medium dams, small scale dams, even check dams, rivulets, which are very important. So whatever the dam structure, the secondary, the government expend more crore, million rupees particularly for the project. Either the developed country or the developing country is a backward country, but it's a need for the country. Because you can't see any other project, this number of benefits you can't get. And the number of benefits which are more, all benefits also which are related particularly for the economy. It is influence on the development of the economy. It is index, the flow, GDP and whatever we call. Okay, it's not only related particularly one development. Even the including the development of the transportation also need for water. Okay, the development of the social culture development, religious development, economical development, political development. Okay, geographical development. Okay, even other sectors, other resources also should be managed. Okay, water table may be increasing. When the storage water, the dams may be much more, the storage water may be more. When the storage water may means minimizing the drain water to the ocean or seas which may be minimizing. Stop particularly drain water particularly to the ocean. Maximum rainfall water you can utilize in internally for different purposes. Okay, internally different purposes you are going to utilize. Okay, you cannot allow rainwater particularly to drain to the ocean. Okay, whenever the maximum 90-95% rainwater you can utilizing internally, before it may be reaching when it drain to the ocean, definitely country is a good sign in the name of the objectives when properly utilized, isn't it? So whenever, so we can water table also increase, definitely groundwater level also increasing. Lakes are filled automatically within 10 feet you can borewell water may be extracting water internally available. What I am telling now, your groundwater also the rechargeable, because minimizing drain to the river water, whatever particularly for rainwater. Totally, even not only particularly, even maybe India, many more places maybe floods may be happens. In rainy season today also, many more places suffering from the floods. Kudagu, Kerala, even Uttarakhand. Okay, because all the rivers also which are rises their water volume particularly in the rainy season. So because when the dams which are support or helps to controlling the floods. One time maybe a region happening or affected by the floods, it may be recover that particular place, it will be taken more than 5 to 10 years repairable. Such a way, it is not only the lifeline of the farmers, it is the lifeline of the people, it is the lifeline of the country. It is a rise to whenever the people they are living happily in the country. This multi-river valley project as a more. Okay, in this direction, the people contribution also more important. The dam construction not only a part of the government, the people also, the protect the dams. The protect the dams and consuming or utilizing or using water from the dam also should be minimizing. Okay, then all whatever the objectives or benefits which are there from the project, it may be minimizing. Don't much more pleasurable utilizing. Okay, so save the dam, save the project. Okay, even also one dam construction now today thousands crore rupees may be need. Okay, because greater particularly contribution by the engineers from the last decades. Okay, anyway, what are the dams are there? The credits goes to the governments and plant people, particularly for the executive plants, especially PWD engineers and workers, the construction workers, which may be contributions. Their work, their contribution, their plan, today we are happily living, particularly utilizing water from the dam. Anyway, today we are going to, this much of information today, we are going to collect it from the content. Next class, 4 projects are there, DVC, Bakranangal, Hirakud and Upper Krishna. So, next classes, we are going to discussing about what are the project, what are the objectives, what are the salient feature of the particular project. Okay, lot of things we are going to discussing in the next class. Okay, today enough to today explanation what are the content multi-river valley projects. So these are all the points applicable to next classes objectives also. Next classes explain also, these classes may be applicable. Okay, any doubts? You noted my number, so send the message and clarify your doubts particularly related to the topic. Anyway, dear student, stay home, stay safe.